How to fix the Twitter age verification problem. Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to fix that frustrating Twitter or X age verification problem, even if you've already entered your correct birthday but still get that same annoying pop-up. Alright, let's get straight into it. Open your Twitter X app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner and go to Profile. Hit Edit Profile, scroll to the birth date section, and re-enter your date of birth. Yes, even if it's already correct, then tap Save. Now, let's tweak a few settings. Go back to the main menu and tap Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. Head into Privacy and Safety, then choose Content You See. First, go to Search Settings and switch Hide Sensitive Content off. Go back, tap Sensitive Media, and set all options to Show All. Last step, go back to Settings, tap your account, then Account Information, and scroll down to Log Out. Log back into your account. And that's it. Your Twitter age verification problem should now be fixed and gone for good.